So today we are going to start with the chill out Krishna painting. Chill out. This concept or this word may look different to everyone, but it is a variety of painting that we see in many places. Most probably, where do you see this kind of painting would be for a poster or any kind of advertisements. Some people, they make sure that you give importance to either the object or to the background. So this chill out painting is a variety where you just freeze either the object and you give life to the background or the accessories of the object or anything like that. So it is nothing but freezing a main object. So this is the picture that I shared in the group. I just asked to take a printout of this picture and then trace it with a yellow carbon onto a thick white paper, black acrylic paint using a zero size brush, and just given the outline. So in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze the Krishna object, and this is going to be the chill out. So let us start coloring the outer surfaces first. Taking two shades of yellow, lemon yellow and golden yellow, and then orange, and then red, and finally Indian red. So Indian red is nothing but it would be a little more darker shade of red, and you'll get slight touches of brown over there. So instead of adding black to the background, I'm just going to give this Indian red. So I'm taking a flat brush here, just wipe it little. So remember again, whenever you're using the acrylic colors, don't dip it too much in water. So I've just wiped my brush. I'm going to take up lemon yellow first. And here I'm going to start from the center. From the center, I'm just going to paint a round circle with the lemon yellow. So no worries if we are just going to paint on top of the painting that we have done on the outline. So just paint a round circle with the same brush. I'm going to take off the golden yellow and start merging on top of this. So whenever you need to merge, it's better you take up a flat brush. Please don't use water anywhere, and just merge it. Merge it and you'll get a lighter tone and the darker tone. So next I'm going to take orange. So if you see, I'm not going to wash off my brush each and every time. So I'm just taking off the paint in the same brush only. I'm going on to the fourth color, that is red. So with this red, I'm just going to cover off both the sides. So my last color is only going to be onto my corners, on the four corners. They're just going to be like a highlighted portion, that's it. So again, now I'm just taking up, let me just wash over with the brush. Now I'm going to just start merging again with the shades. So I'm just taking up this yellow and merge it with the orange. So now with the black color paint, see to that the paint that you have done, the base, it dries off so that it doesn't get merged with the black that you're going to paint. So on top, I'm just using the black paint and I'm going to fill up the object. So while filling off this object, see to that we have to leave off some inner spaces in between so that the hand and the movements of Krishna would be seen clearly. Kripa, you can choose your own colors, it's not a problem. You can take any kind of background that you wish to, but the main object should be in black. So that's the concept of chill out. So no issues in choosing any other colors. So this is ready. So having this on one side, so here is the Krishna. Okay everyone, yeah, so I'll just hand off for today. Bye bye.